Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to fix negative feedback on eBay. So the feedback revision tool is only available via browser. So open Safari and type this request feedback revision eBay, and open this official website of eBay. And scroll to the down and press this button, request a feedback revision. Here on this page you can see you can review all your feedbacks, whether they are positive, neutral or negative. This is this table. But I need to note that before sending a revision request that I will show you after a few seconds, it's always a good idea to message your buyer and politely ask him if they would be willing to update or remove the feedback after your issue has been resolved. So here in this field, search feedback received, you need to type the item title, and after you found your negative feedback, you need to add a reason. No, you need to select the feedback to revise. Just simply mark it and then select a reason. For example, it could be a resolved issue or some misunderstanding. And in the very end, tap send request button, and the buyer will have 10 days to respond to your request. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.